Are you tired of rushing at the last minute to post your YouTube shorts? Life happens, and when you're relying on manually posting your YouTube shorts to YouTube every single day, you can risk missing your upload altogether. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can use Planoly's scheduling feature to upload all of your YouTube shorts ahead of time so you don't miss any uploads. Plus, make sure to stick around until the very end of the video because I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite tools inside of Planoly that allows you to make even more money from your YouTube shorts. My name is Melissa Mitchell, and on this channel, I help entrepreneurs just like you use YouTube to scale your business and fuel it with best fit leads. So make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content here on this channel. All right, let's jump over into my computer and we're gonna walk through how to schedule your YouTube shorts together. All right, so I've logged into my Planoly account and I'm actually inside of the multi-channel section. So when you are inside of Planoly, there's two different workspaces. So there's the original Instagram planner, and then there's the multi-channel workspace. And I actually have a whole other YouTube video all about the multi-channel workspace if you want to see how to use it as a whole, and I'll make sure to link it in the YouTube cards above here for you. But today we're going to be inside of the multi-channel workspace, and we're going to be talking about how to schedule your YouTube shorts specifically. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and say new post, and it's going to bring up this entire section where we can start crafting the post. And so at the top here, you're going to see where it says select channels, and I only have YouTube selected. And then down here, it's going to say shorts or video. And so for me personally, what I like to do is I like to schedule my full YouTube video inside of the YouTube platform itself, just because there are a lot more nuances and features inside of YouTube that I like to take advantage of. But then I like to use Planoly to schedule out my YouTube shorts and other smaller, shorter pieces of content. And so what I do is I have this shorts selected, then I'm gonna come in here and say select a file. You could also drag and drop the file from your Finder as well, but I'm just going to say select a file. And then it's going to pull up where do you want to grab this file from, your computer, your ideas, which is a whole different section that we'll talk about in a future video, Dropbox or Google Drive. So I'm just going to say computer and locate the file that I want to use. Okay, so now the video has uploaded into this section, and you'll see on the right-hand side, it's giving you a preview of the video here. You can actually turn this on or off if you wanted to, but what we're gonna do is come over here and start adding in the information that we want this video to have. So I'm going to upload the title here. There we go. So now we have the title added, and next we're going to add in the description. All right, so I'm gonna actually get rid of this hashtag shorts here because you no longer need to specify that it's a short on YouTube anymore, so you don't need to have this hashtag here. So I'm just gonna get rid of that and add in my caption here. The other really cool thing that you can use inside of Planoly is the AI caption writer. So I already had previously written out this caption, but you could also use this AI caption writer to create your caption as well. And you can check out my other video on my channel where I go through a full tutorial on how to use this caption writer. So now that we have the caption added into here, we can do a couple more things when it comes to options. So we can turn on this notify subscribers option, which is a really neat that they have this inside of Planoly, because this will actually notify anyone who's subscribed to your channel that you have a new short available to watch. So you can turn that on or off. You can actually also add a sound URL, which is really cool as well. If you were creating a video that had a viral sound attached to it, you could actually link it right here so that it uploaded automatically. And then of course you want to set the visibility on YouTube. So public, unlisted, or private. So if this was ready to publish and you didn't want to make any additional changes, I would leave it as public here. And then the last thing you want to do is pick the date that you actually want to schedule this out to. So you can have it auto post, or you can send a reminder notification to your phone and then manually publish it from there. So again, this is going to be a personal preference sort of thing of which you prefer to either have the reminder or have it auto post. What I love so much about the auto post is that if you are going away on vacation, or maybe you're getting a team member to do this for you and you have a lot of other things going on in your business, you don't have to worry about manually publishing each and every single one of your videos. You can set it to auto post at the specific date and time that you want, and it's going to automatically do it for you, which is such a time saving. So then once you hit auto post, you're just going to select the date and the time that you want this to go out on. So let's say you wanted it to go out tomorrow at 2:45 p.m. and there you go. Everything is ready to go. You have your short ready. You have notifications turned on or off. You have it set to public, and we're ready to go. The other thing you can do up here is you can save it as a draft. So again, if you were getting your team to come in here and schedule these out for you, but you wanted to come in and do a quick review before they went to public, then you could save these as drafts, or you can just come right in here and schedule it. The last thing I want to point out, and this is a really neat as well if you're working with a team, is this comments feature. So what I'm going to do, you have to actually save the content to be able to leave a comment. So I'm going to say schedule here. And then you're going to see right on the left-hand side, the bank of videos here, and you can change this to scheduled. So you can see just everything that's been scheduled. And if you actually click on this and come back into it, you're going to be able to leave a comment. So again, if your team or you had an assistant or something come in here and schedule everything, you could come back in here and make any comments for them that you needed to say. So if you were like, can we schedule this for Monday instead? You could actually leave that there and make a comment. And this would go to your team to then make the needed changes. So really cool aspects in terms of not only time saving when it comes to scheduling, but also time saving when it comes to managing your team as well. So I'm just going to say exit out of here. And there you go. Now you're going to see that it's on the content bank on the left-hand side here, and it's also on the calendar here, ready to go. Now, if you want to get started with Planoly, you can click the link below to get 30% off your annual subscription using the code Melissa30. And now that you know how to schedule your YouTube shorts, you might be wondering how to monetize them. Well, Planoly just acquired Snipfeed, which is going to solve this problem for you. With Snipfeed, you can create a really simple website that points your audience to many different places that you want them to go, like your calendar to book a call, maybe some affiliate links you have, maybe certain products you have available for purchase, maybe a download that you want them to grab, maybe a different YouTube video you want them to watch. There are so many different options, all with Snipfeed, and it gives you one link to then put on your YouTube channel, your Instagram bio, in the link of your shorts and the link of your YouTube videos. There are so many options when it comes to Snipfeed, and I absolutely love it. If you're just starting out in business, this is a perfect solution that allows you to get something set up really, really simply without having to worry about a complicated website or a complicated sales funnel. To learn more about this tool, make sure you check out my other video right here. Thank you so much for watching. If you love this video, make sure to give it a big old like, hit that subscribe button, and share this video on social media so others can benefit from its content. And we'll catch you next week. Bye.